Your backpacking tent will be one of the most important gear purchases you make. Finding one that has the best balance of interior comfort, weight, durability, and weather protection will make it much easier to stay happy and have a good time on the trail. There are many backpack tents to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best backpacking tents from top brands. These products can help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Big Agnes Copper Backpacking Tent. The Copper Spur HV is a favorite backpacking tent the Clever Hiker team has spent hundreds of backcountry nights in this shelter. Its ultralight freestanding design enables hikers to pitch it almost anywhere, and it doesn't sacrifice convenience, weather protection, or livability. The Copper Spur is a popular choice among thru hikers of the AT, PCT, and CDT, all of which are notoriously tough on gear. Despite the ultralight materials used in the construction of this tent, it can last for thousands of miles if you take the time to clear pokey debris from your campsites. We've taken several iterations of the Copper Spur 2 over 1,000 miles each on the trail, and they're still going strong. The bent pole structure and ridge pole of the Copper Spur create nearly vertical sidewalls, maximizing interior volume and providing ample headroom. The UL2 has enough space inside for 2 regular width sleeping pads and some gear. Number 2. MSR Freelight Backpacking Tent. The MSR Freelight 2 is a great option for those looking to go lighter without sacrificing the convenience of a double-wall tent. It has 2 large doors, a smart rainfly design that prevents drippy entry in the rain, and a lower weight than many similarly designed tents. We view the Freelight as more comfortable for solo hikers since the interior headroom can feel a little cramped when spending any extended amount of time inside. But for pairs that value saving weight over having more interior space, the Freelight has the dimensions to accommodate 2 people. The rainbow shape of the Freelight is effective at shedding precipitation, and the unique rainfly gutters direct water away from the zippered entry to prevent it from pooling up and pouring onto the floor while moving in or out of the tent in wet weather. Number 3. 6 Moon Backpacking Tent. The 6 Moon Designs Lunar Duo is one of the best value backpacking tents on our list due to its excellent blend of space, weight, and durability. Clever Hiker gear tester Heather Eldridge has put the Lunar Duo through the ringer on multiple thru hikes covering thousands of miles, and it continues to hold up like a champ. The Lunar Duo is a bit heavier than many other ultralight non-freestanding tents, like the Z-Pack's Duplex above, but we find the weight trade-off is worth the significant monetary savings for hikers on a budget. One thing that makes the Lunar Duo unique among non-freestanding tents is the arched brow poles over the doors. These poles maximize headroom along the entire length of the tent and give the Lunar Duo the most luxuriously spacious interior of any model in its class. Number 4. Nemo Dagger Backpacking Tent. The Nemo Dagger offers a ton of interior space at a reasonable weight, so it's perfect for those wanting a tent that's comfortable for both backpacking and car camping. When split between 2 hikers, each will carry just over 2 pounds. While that's not as impressive as some others at first glance, it's very respectable when you consider the whole picture. The Dagger offers significantly more interior space than much of the lighter weight competition thanks to its long, rectangular floor and nearly vertical side walls. Since the Dagger has enough floor space for 2 wide long pads and plenty of interior volume to comfortably hang out inside, it works quite nicely for car camping as well. Crossover tents like this one will save the user storage space at home and a ton of money over buying a dedicated tent for each activity. Number 5. Coleman Sundom Camping Tent. The Coleman Sundom Camping Tent is a reliable shelter for outdoor enthusiasts seeking comfort and protection in the wilderness. Its weatherproof design, featuring welded corners and inverted seams, effectively keeps water at bay, while the included rainfly provides an extra layer of defense against the elements. This tent's robust frame has been rigorously tested to withstand winds exceeding 35 mph, ensuring stability in challenging conditions. Ventilation is a standout feature, with large windows and a ground vent promoting excellent airflow, keeping the interior fresh and comfortable. The E-Port is a thoughtful addition, allowing campers to easily bring electrical power inside, maintaining a connection to modern conveniences even in remote locations. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.